So I'm Cole Maring. I'm head of electronic design at 701X. So everything circuits, circuit boards, choosing parts, along as our procurement, working with our manufacturers we contract with and partner with. 701X ultimately is an agriculture technology company. So we design and produce and manufacture solutions for ranching. So why we chose Packet Digital as a partner for our PCBA production, we were looking for a higher quality solution and someone that could iterate faster with us for our circuit board assemblies. Previously, we weren't working with folks in Fargo. It kind of made for a long feedback loop. We were sometimes seeing quality issues that would take days to resolve. And jumping to Packet Digital, we have just seen a tremendous increase in quality of our solutions.
Hi, my name is Cord Palmer. I'm the SMT engineer here at Packet Digital. Behind me is our SMT line. We have two Fuji AMAX 3 pick and place machines, and we have two Omron AOIs, pre and post reflow. This combination of equipment ensures that we can build a world-class product for all of our customers.
So the benefit of 701X and Packet Digital working together for ranchers in the United States, ultimately ranchers in the United States are all themselves small business owners, sometimes large business owners depending on their ranch, but they really see the benefit of performing these operations, these manufacturing operations in the United States. And the fact that 701X and Packet Digital, both in Fargo, can come together to work on this high technology solution and develop the skills here and maintain the quality here, that means a lot to our ranching community.
Working with 701X has been really great. They just show, what we can do as a partnership in Fargo, North Dakota. It's really great to work with a local company and help them build up their brand. A lot of our customers, as well as 701X, very much care about Made in America, so that is what we can bring to them.
So what's next for 701X? What's kind of in our horizon? We're going to keep developing solutions for ranching. Of course, all of our technology solutions involve electronics of some nature, so we're only going to increase this relationship with Packet Digital, now that we found such a high quality circuit board production partner.